Hello everyone, and welcome to another Voiceflow tutorial. In this video, we'll be walking through our updated Google integration, which allows you to upload your Voiceflow project to the Google Actions console in just a few clicks. Let's get right to it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create a new project, and we're going to call this Voiceflow Airlines. Next, we're going to be asked to choose the intended channel for this project, and here we have Amazon Alexa and of course Google Assistant. Since we want to create a Google action here, we need to select Google Assistant, of course. So once we hit the next page, we're going to click Create Project. And great, now we can start designing our voice experience. But for the sake of brevity, let's just create an incredibly simple project here by adding a single speak step. And then what we'll do is we'll open up the editor to add in a response, which will be welcome to Voiceflow Airlines. Okay, great. Now, if we want to upload this project to the Google Actions console, all we have to do is click this button at the top of the navigation bar. And when you do this for the first time, it's going to say, no projects exist on the Actions console to connect to, create a new project now. And so what this pop-up is telling us is it's giving us instructions on how to create a Google Actions project that we can link up to our Voiceflow project. And so the first step tells us to click on Create Actions Project down here. Now, if I'm not already signed in with my Google account, it's going to ask me to do so. Otherwise, if you're already signed in, you just choose the account you want. Once your account has been verified and you've signed in, we need to create a new Google Actions project by clicking New Project. Next, we'll give our project the same name as our Voiceflow project, so we'll call this Voiceflow Airlines. Then we'll hit Create Project. So now we're provided with a few options on the type of Google action we want to build. And it's important we select Custom here, and then we can click Next. And then we need to select Blank Project and click Start Building. And now our Google Actions project is being created for us. Okay, perfect. Once it's finished, I can return to Voiceflow and click the Upload to Google button once more. Might take a little bit to load, and we should see, yep, our Voiceflow Airlines project. Fantastic. So now we're going to upload our Voiceflow project to the Google Actions project we just created. So we'll click on Voiceflow Airlines and wait for it to upload. And great, it's been successfully uploaded. It's important to note that because these projects are now linked, you can quickly update your Google Actions project to mirror your Voiceflow project anytime you make a change. All you need to do is hit the Upload to Google button each time you want to resync your projects. So now you're ready to test your project in the Google Actions console. The first thing you need to do is click Actions Console Simulator. This allows you to test your project directly on Google's simulator, where you can also go through the process of deploying it. And so let's test this experience by clicking Talk to Voiceflow Airlines.
Okay, let's get the test version of Voiceflow Airlines.
Welcome to Voiceflow Airlines.
And it works. Great. And so that's how you upload your Voiceflow project to the Google Actions console. Stay tuned for new updates and tutorials by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one.